Alright, so we are done building our wind tunnel. The first thing that we built was this component, the testing chamber. It's a 14-inch by 14-inch box. We cut a hole in it, we put magnetic tape around the edges. We bought one of these pieces of plexiglass for $4. Also lined it with magnetic tape so that we have an airtight seal. We can look in, we can see the aeropod dangling in the testing chamber. The second thing we did was we built this nozzle, and we went with a 12-degree angle on each side, each of these four faces, and then we glued them together, we taped them around the outside, and it's attached to the box that the box fan came in. When we were about to build a box for the fan, we thought, why reinvent the wheel? It came in a box, and this decreases any air leaking out, so we just cut the around both sides, the face of the fan, and ran the cord out for that bottom piece. It's, as you can see, is sucking out this way. Now, then we built the diffuser. We liked the design of the diffuser better because we didn't try to go with a specific angle. We just made the shallowest angle we could with the length of cardboard that we had. If we had to do over again, we'd probably make the nozzle a exact copy of the diffuser and do it the same way. We originally had built a screen made out of tubes for inside, but after we tested it, we decided that the tubes didn't make that much of a difference, especially when we put the suck fan on that side. Our original design had only a blow fan, but when we built this diffuser and we heard from Dr. Brown that it was possible to use two fans, we went ahead and attached the diffuser to a second box fan, and this one is a blow fan. And because it goes through a longer distance, it doesn't create much turbulence, and we didn't need the screen, so we took out the screen that we built. The last thing we did was we installed this manometer. It's mounted on the cardboard box it came in, and the tubes, the high end and the low end, go through here and they run over the back, and then they're taped into this one right here. It tests the pressure outside of the wind tunnel, and this one here goes in and tests the pressure inside the testing chamber, and it dangles with the aeropod. And when we run this, we get good airflow quality, but this only moves about to 0.03. One other thing you might want to notice is it has feet. The feet keep the fan from tipping over due to the air that it's blowing out, and it keeps the testing chamber even with the rest of the wind tunnel because of these angles. We didn't want it to just dangle in between the nozzle and the diffuser. We wanted to have some support.